If you're looking for a hobby that is easy, continuous, and very fun to do, crochet is your game. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics of crochet, like crochet 101. So let's get started. I have been doing crochet for a long time, like a year or two, so I picked up a lot during this time. The basic things you're going to be needing is our crochet needles to weave in your ends and sew your pieces together. Then you have to have a hook. I normally use this one. This is a 3mm hook, and it's good for my yarn. It doesn't make it slip. And then you have to have a stitch marker. Like this one closes like a safety pin so that it doesn't fall off when you're working rounds. Then you have to have a scissor. I use this kind of scissor, but you can use any household scissor that you have. Then obviously yarn. I'm using a 100% cotton yarn, which has a great definition, like stitch definition, and it's very stretches. The first step in each project is to make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you're just gonna loop your yarn on your two fingers, pull the working yarn, and then pull it tight. Then you have made your slip knot. Then you have to put your hook through the knot, and then pull the working yarn tightly. Then your yarn is going to be on your hook. Now you can start crocheting. The first step in each crochet, like the first stitch, is a foundation chain. To make a foundation chain, you're just gonna yarn over, and pull through the loop on your hook. You have made your first chain. Then yarn over again, pull through the loop on your hook. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. This is how your chain should look. Now we're going to start with a single crochet, which is normally used in amigurumi to make tight stitches that do not have that much holes. To make a single crochet, you're going to insert your hook into the second stitch when you're working like in rounds. Then you're going to insert in your second stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, and yarn over, pull through both the loops. And again, insert your hook to the second stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. This is how a single crochet row would look like. Now we're going to learn the HDC, which stands for half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through all three loops, like this. Then again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through all three loops. Then again, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three loops. This is how a half double crochet should look like. So the next stitch is a double crochet or DC. To make a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through two loops, not all of them, just two loops. And then yarn over, pull through the rest of the two loops. This is how you make a double. This is how a double crochet row should look like. I have made a lot of things with crochet, and I have learned a lot of things like Tunisian crochet, pixel grids. So I just wanted to share the basics with you. I hope you like this video. Take care. Bye.